Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be shaving the face. So I just decided to do this because I want to. I'll add a close-up clip. Here you go. My hairy face. Hair. Makeup. Ooh. My lovely face, nice and close, down and dirty. So I watched a few videos of other people doing it and now I'm an expert. Just kidding. But I'm gonna wash my makeup off and then shave my face. These are the shavers that I have. These are from Revlon. These are specifically for the face. And this is what it says. On clean, dry skin, carefully run the Revlon face defuzzer over your face in small downward motions, avoiding the dedicated eye area. The blade is designed to remove. Where do you start growing your hair? How far down from your eye? Like right here? Okay, I'm gonna wash my face. You need a clean face. Okay, now that I'm nice and washed, I'm gonna do my face. I think I'm gonna start with my forehead. Here's the thing. Do you shave your forehead? Wow. I see hairs coming off. Whoa. Let's do a very noticeable part area. Okay. Whoa. Do you see that? I know I'm late to the game of face shaving, but I'm shook. Can't really see what I'm doing. Look at all this hair. Oh, that scared the crap out of me. I didn't realize I was this hairy. Exposing all my pimples. Honestly, my face feels so soft now. I feel like a barber. Or those, yeah, barber. Shave the fish. Okay, I just finished. My face was very, very soft and smooth. Hopefully I didn't break out because I am already breaking out with it, as you have already seen. Love that for me. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow with makeup on to show you a nice close-up of my face with makeup on. I'm not gonna do my makeup right now because I'm gonna let my face set overnight to chill out, and I'll do it in the morning. So comment down below if you shave your face. Smooth. smooth as a baby's bottom. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Good morning. It's the next day, and this is how my face looks post naked shaveness. I'm gonna put some makeup on and then do a close-up to see how it looks compared to when I was a hairstylist. Here's an update of just my foundation on. I look so smooth, so soft, so nice. Okay, yeah, bye. Close-up of the fish. So good, so smooth. Okay, I have my makeup on, and it looks really, really good. I would highly recommend it if you want to, and if you, I don't know how well it is with sensitive skin, but I like it. It made my skin feel very soft, and my makeup went on really good. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Pew 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 pew.